Gearing ratios are a key way to measure how much a company relies on debt to fund its operations. A company is considered geared when it uses borrowed money, or debt, alongside shareholder equity to grow the business. The most common calculation is total debt divided by shareholder equity, giving investors a snapshot of financial risk. A higher ratio suggests the company is aggressive with debt, while a lower ratio often signals a more conservative financial approach. High gearing can amplify returns during good times, but it also makes a business more vulnerable when economic conditions turn difficult. Different industries have different norms. Utilities often carry high debt due to heavy infrastructure costs, while tech firms may prefer less leverage. Always remember that debt requires consistent interest payments, regardless of how much profit the company actually makes. Gearing is just one piece of the puzzle. Always look at the full financial picture before drawing conclusions. Thanks for watching.